Get rid of fill and work with the outline only. Select the ellipse tool from the left toolbar or hit letter L on your keyboard. Click anywhere, put 160 pixels for both width and height. Click OK. Click anywhere again, make the shape 60 pixels bigger than the one before. Click OK. With the ellipse tool selected, click anywhere one more time. Make the shape 280 pixels for both width and height. Hold Shift key to select all shapes. In the upper menu, change stroke thickness to be 15 points. Click on the smallest circle once again to make it a key object. Go to Align panel and align objects to the horizontal and vertical center. Select Line tool. For the line to be straight, drag by holding Shift key. Press Shift key as you rotate if you want to snap the rotation to 45 degrees. Drag line onto the circles. Copy the line, it will be necessary a bit later. Let's convert lines into shapes, since line objects are not as easily resized or manipulated. Select all shapes, go to the upper menu, click on Object, and in the drop-down menu select Expand. Click OK. Select all shapes and hit Divide in Pathfinder panel. Ungroup shapes. Select Group. In the upper menu, click on Object and in the drop-down menu, select Ungroup. Get rid of the shapes by selecting them and hitting the Delete key on your keyboard. Pick Rectangle tool from the left toolbar and draw a shape on top of the bottom of the line. Select both shapes while holding Shift key. Hit minus front in Pathfinder panel. Paste the line you copied before in place. Hold Shift key while adjusting position. Hold Shift key to select multiple shapes. Use Shape Builder tool to separate this part. To get rid of the objects, select it and hit the Delete button on your keyboard. Select Pen tool from the left toolbar or hit letter B on your keyboard. Draw a shape for the leg. Use Direct Selection tool to select anchor points. Move it with the arrow keys on your keyboard. Select the Ellipse tool, hold Alt and Shift keys while dragging to create a perfect circle. Lower the transparency to 60%. Expand shape by using the same method as before. Try to align shapes as smoothly as possible. Get rid of the parts at the bottom by using Shape Builder tool. Select shapes by holding Shift key and hit Unite in Pathfinder panel to merge shapes into one. Bring the transparency back to normal. Hold Alt key while dragging the shape to create a copy. Change the outline to fill and adjust the size while holding Alt and Shift keys. Make sure there is no gap in between shapes. Select the Ellipse tool and create a shape for the eye. Select all shapes, group it, use shortcut Command G on Mac or Ctrl G on Windows. Align group to the center of the eyeball.